From now on, you, the unconscious mind, will always consider how the food will make you feel having eaten it, and you will automatically decide to choose the healthy, nutritious, and energizing food. You will feel compelled to choose the foods that support your well-being in the now and for your future self, where every bite fuels your body for health, for energy, and from now on, you will enjoy eating the foods that makes you feel strong and vibrant. Whenever you see the food, you notice its vibrancy, the colors, the life force, and you choose the ones that replenish you. For you will see eating well is an act of self-love, and you are grateful for the abundance of healthy food that you get to choose, and it feels so good. And you are grateful for the opportunity to nourish your body. You thrive off the benefits of healthy choices, and you are worthy of feeling healthy and vibrant. You are grateful for choosing the delicious and nutritious foods, for you are in charge of how you fuel your body, excited about the positive changes in your eating habits, becoming confident, a higher self-esteem,